Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access your Google Drive files on Android TV. You will be able to open your photos, videos, and documents right from your TV screen without moving the files manually. For that, first of all, you need to turn on your Android TV and make sure that it is connected to the internet. Now here, simply go to the Google Play Store on your TV and search for a file manager application that supports the cloud storage. Install one that clearly mentions Google Drive support. Now, when you open the file manager, simply go to the option of cloud or the add account section. Select the option of Google Drive from the list, then sign in with the help of your Google account. After login, you will see all of the Drive folders and the files directly on your TV. Now you can open the videos, the images, and the audio files straight from the Google Drive. Many file manager applications also play the videos with the built-in player, so you can open them using VLC if it is installed on your TV. For documents, you can preview them or cast them from your phone. Another easy method is casting from your phone. So you can open Google Drive on your phone, then choose the file and tap the option of cast. You can select your Android TV afterwards. Now the file will play on your TV while you control it from your phone. So that's how you can get access to the Google Drive files on Android TV. Simply use a file manager with Google Drive support or simply cast from your phone to your TV. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment what Android TV tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.